So welcome back to my new video, guys. I know you already missed me, but I'm finally here. Today we are gonna make a nice homemade hot dog with crispy buns, caramelized onions, a nice sauce and juicy sausages. Of course, juicy sausages. Also, don't worry guys, this recipe is really easy and simple. Each of you will be able to make this godlike hot dog, and later you will have muscles like me. So let's not waste time and let's start with a nice and crispy homemade buns.
She's my lover.
So that's all the ingredients you will need for the buns. Only 350 grams of plain flour, 30 grams of yeast, 50 grams of butter, 15 grams of sugar, 300 milliliters of milk, and 1 egg yolk. There is one important thing: do not overheat the milk. Put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds or 1 minute, but as I mentioned before, do not overheat the milk. So let's start.
So they know my sweet baby loves me so. She got me going, yeah, she turns me on. And she loves me, yeah, she loves me. And it blows my mind. Yeah, it blows my mind.
it for today, guys. We made a nice hot dog, and if you would also like to make this hot dog at home, you can find the recipe just down below in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.